Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this HTML course series, we will learn about HTML programming from scratch and understand the web application development process that requires a basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In today's video, we are going to take a fascinating journey into the history of HTML. Understanding the origins of HTML is important as it lays the foundation for the modern web development that we know today. So, let's get started. HTML history. HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language, and it is the standard language for creating web pages and web applications. HTML was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989 when he was working at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. Berners-Lee's goal was to create a simple markup language that could link different documents together, forming a web of interconnected information. In other words, he wanted to create a system that would allow researchers to share and link documents across different computers and networks. HTML concept. HTML is based on the concept of hypertext, which is a way of presenting information that allows users to navigate through different topics by clicking on links. HTML uses tags, which are special keywords enclosed in angle brackets to define the structure and content of a web page. For example, the P tag indicates a paragraph. The H1 tag indicates a heading level 1 and the A tag indicates a hyperlink. HTML versions. The first version of HTML was very simple and had only 18 tags. It was called HTML 1.0 and it was published as an Internet Engineering Task Force (IETF) document in 1993. Since then, HTML has evolved through several versions, each adding new features and capabilities. Some of the major versions of HTML are HTML 2.0. This version was published as an IETF standard in 1995, and it introduced new tags for tables, forms, images, and other elements. HTML 3.2. This version was published as a World Wide Web Consortium (W3C) recommendation in 1997, and it added support for style sheets, scripts, applets, and multimedia elements. HTML 4.0. This version was published as a W3C recommendation in 1997, and it introduced new tags for frames, style sheets, scripts, and document structure. It also added support for internationalization, accessibility, and semantic markup. HTML 4.01. This version was published as a W3C recommendation in 1999, and it fixed some errors and inconsistencies in HTML 4.0. XHTML 1.0. This version was published as a W3C recommendation in 2000, and it reformulated HTML 4.01 as an application of XML, Extensible Markup Language. XML is a more strict and powerful language than HTML, and it allows users to define their own tags and attributes. XHTML 1.0 required web pages to follow the rules of XML syntax, such as closing all tags and using lowercase letters for tag names. HTML5. This version is the current standard for HTML, and it was published as a W3C recommendation in 2014. HTML5 introduced new tags for semantic elements, such as header tag, footer tag, article tag, section tag, nav tag, etc., as well as new tags for multimedia elements, such as video tag, audio tag, canvas tag, etc. It also added support for offline storage, geolocation, drag and drop, WebSockets, web workers, and other features that enable rich web applications. HTML future. HTML is still evolving, and new features are being added or modified by various groups and organizations. The W3C maintains the official specification of HTML5 and its updates, while the Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group (WHAT) develops a living standard of HTML that reflects the current state of web browsers and technologies. HTML is also influenced by other languages and standards such as CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, JavaScript, SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, MathML, which stands for Mathematical Markup Language, etc. HTML is the foundation of the web, and it has changed the way we communicate, learn, work, and play. By learning HTML, you can create your own web pages and web applications that can reach millions of users around the world. Let's wrap up this video about HTML history. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this. If you want to learn more, check out the complete HTML course link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the exciting world of HTML. Until then, happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.